This week's Fun Friday artifact is our 1938 Master Deluxe 6-cylinder Super Chevrolet sedan. It was donated by museum founder Benny Birkin and her son Jerry, who can be seen in this photo with the car in 1989. They purchased it from the original owner in the mid-1960s, and Jerry not only restored it to its original glory, but drove it in 2 Arkansas-made movies and in numerous parades. One of those parades was the Arkansas Sesquicentennial Parade. It was selected as the lead car, as Arkansas County was the first county formed in the state. The car was originally purchased by Mr. and Mrs. Harry Downing. Mr. Downing is remembered as one of Stuttgart's early photographers, and some of his work showcasing the flood of 1927 can be seen in the Library of Congress. Mrs. Downing drove the car for nearly 30 years, right up to the time she was encouraged to stop driving. Some of our neighbors may remember this tiny Mrs. Downing driving this car, as her head could barely be seen as she operated this large, lovely machine.